The Bank of Ghana has indicated that it is building its dollar reserves to help stabilize the Ghana cedi going into next year. According to the sources close to the regulator, it is hoping to add about $1 billion to the reserves. This could put the central bank's international reserves at around $10 billion by the end of the year. This development could also help address activities of market speculations during the Christmas period in particular, where there are some pressures on the local currency. Of course, meanwhile, some bank treasurers and financial market operators are forecasting some exciting times for the cedi. But what is the basis for their projections? Well, George Rafi has been giving us some answers.
The Ghana cedi has witnessed one of its strongest performances against the dollar in recent times. Its depreciation against the US dollar from the beginning of this year has been pegged at around 3%. And the projection that the cedi will be strong come next year is based on the current strong reserve position of the Bank of Ghana that is expected to help them deal with the pressure come next year, as well as other programs that the central bank has in place that should give some comfort to investors in terms of the forward sale of forex. All these things may help deal with the usual pressure that the cedi experiences, but for the President of the Association of Financial Market Operators, Kofi Asare, even though he is optimistic about the cedi being strong, it will all depend on how the currency is managed as well as the broader economy going into next year.
Looking at things, and even the budget that was projected to Parliament, it looks as if there's a lot of expenditure that needs to happen in the months to come. So as a country, we're always going to be optimistic, but we just know it's going to be challenging and it will require even more superior leadership. And we have confidence in the system that the system works. And so I think that we'll navigate it tomorrow together.
Well, we all look forward to see how things will play out in 2021 and whether all these projections and forecasts by these bank treasurers and analysts will be anything to go by.